दांत से काट ले बिजली तार, चबा ले तांबे की झनकार, फूक दे खुद को ज्वाला ज्वाला, बिन खुद जले ना हो उजाला। तो बिन खुद जले ना हो उजाला, ये बात मैं कहना चाहता हूं। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट आप जो अपने चारों ओर उजाला देखते हैं वो आपसे ही निकलता है। इट एमिनेट्स फ्रॉम यू, यू आर द सोर्स ऑफ इट, you have to light yourself, and that's the only truth, believe me. Everything else falls into place if you understand that you have to start it from yourself and the belief in yourself, and use your education as tool and practice more and more. Famous poet from Pakistan, I mean, he went to Pakistan later, was Iqbal. Now I like earlier work of Iqbal, not the later work that much, but earlier work. He has he talks a lot about Shaheen, the falcon, and he says Shaheen attacks the prey and takes the prey and goes up. The bird goes up, soars high, and comes back and drops the prey. Why did the bird do it? Bird wasn't hungry, but the bird was practicing its craft. कि मैं जब सच में भूख लगे मुझे तो मुझसे गलती ना हो। लपकना झपटना पलटकर झपटना लहू गर्म रखने का बस है बहाना। So that is practice. That I practice so fantastically well. My precision is so much there that when I actually am at the battlefield, believe me, when you really would go there, out there in the world, you'll be doing your jobs, you'll be all, I'm absolutely, my best wishes for you to get best of the jobs, and you face the world out there, you would not get time to practice. That's time for action. Whatever you have learned is going to come and save you at that time. At the time, you will be really struggling hard to, match the man hours and the tasks given to you. That time, what is going to come handy, like Shaheen, is the practice. That when you are actually hungry, when actually at it, you will not commit any mistake. That is very important to remember. Another thing is, you are young and value that. It's very important. Why I say youth is the one which gets change? See, children also have innocence. Youth has innocence. Youth does not have cynicism. जिंदा है तो प्याला पूरा भर ले, कच्चा फूटे चूरा काज कर ले, जिंदगी का ये घड़ा ले, एक सांस में चढ़ा ले, हिचकियों में क्या है मतलब? कोयला काला है, चट्टानों में पानी।
How to write?
कुंजला भी नहीं लिखा है।
Gender,
That's why I said मैं लोगों के दिलों को जीतना नहीं चाहता, उनमें रहना चाहता हूँ।
क्या बात है,
क्या बात है
कोशिश नहीं करता इतनी कि जीतने की। I just try to reside in them, and effortlessly whatever comes to my head, I just pen it down, and it comes out of deep concern. And before we conclude, I would what deeply concerns me, the state of women in this country, which is and I would recite one of my poem to end today's session. And I think it's going on pretty long, and we have a long day ahead of us. There's a poem I wrote called Babul, and this is, I'll hum it for you.
Can I just questions? And we want to end with your lovely. Majority of youth has a negative perception towards the society due to corruption. Whatever. What's the message to them to have a positive outlook? This is very important for us.
Okay. Let me read the message. You would have heard it on TV by now. I wrote it for a film called Satyagrah. अब तक धीरज मांगा था, प्रभु अब धीरज मत देना। सहते जाएं, ऐसा बल भी मत देना। उठकर करने हैं कुछ काम, रघुपति राघव का देना। करुणा के सागर तुम पालन करता, पर जो जुल्म है करता कहां तुमसे डरता। तुम पूरम परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी, पर फिर कैसे होती रहती ये मनमानी। घायल है भोला इंसान रघुपति राघव राजा। अंदर एक सिपाही है जिसने ली अंगड़ाई है, अब तक सोया सोया था, सपनों में ही खोया था, बहुत हो गया है विश्राम रघुपति राघव राजा।
And the last thing, that would you like to give any message to all these students of Sri Aurobindo Institute of Technology, Pharmacy and Management? And I'm sure they are so inspired and take.
कभी भी मैसेज मत लीजिए आप। Don't take any message. You have your own life's truth.
क्या बात
in front of you. हर आदमी का अलग सच है। ये जो कैप्सूल बना के देने का कल्चर है मुझे वो पसंद ही नहीं। I don't like कि बेटा ये गुरु मंत्र मान बस इसको मान के चल दे तेरा भला हो जाएगा। This is like boss, all the hard work somebody else I do for you and you want one guru mantra and move on. I'm sorry, you have to do your hard work.
Yes,
all I can do, as I told you, I can share what I did. Nobody can stop you. And I think all you should ask other people, please help me, please share your experience with me. Listen to good people, read about them, because you know the journeys and first hand experience, जिसे अनुभूत सत्य कहते हैं, first hand truth, उसका कोई भी तोड़ नहीं है। आपका सच है, और आपने अनुभव नहीं किया, किताब में पढ़ा है तो किताब में ही रहेगा, वो आप तक नहीं पहुंचेगा। आपको लगेगा कि मेरी लाइफ आसान हो गई, लेकिन होगी नहीं जब तक आप अनुभव नहीं करेंगे। एक्सपीरियंस मोर, as much you experience, more you experience, wiser you will become. रास्ते अपने आप खुलेंगे आपके साथ। तो धूप है छम से बिखर, तू है नदी और बेखबर।
Thank you, President. Very well said. And this is what I believe, you know, that one chance, one moment, one life. Make it or break it. It's your life. It's your life.
Make it large.
So I will, because it's a concerning issue for me, and as I wrote for Uttarakhand, which was something which is very dear to me. I hope you heard with Mr. Bachchan recited my poem on there. But this one is, not going anywhere. I mean, this state of women, I think we have to put pressure that a lot of cultural issues are there in the way women are treated. But at the same time, most important thing is law and order has to be there. And I think we need to make, it's very important that women don't feel scared. I think women have to come out. It's very important that they khud bahar aaye, or they have to fight it. And this is a song I wrote when a girl has, actually this is probably a village girl who has never spoken to the father. And it's written in a very folk style, like a Lokgeet. And I dedicated it to Nirvaya at that time, and I will recite it to you. Babul, Babul, जिया मुरा घबराए, बाबुल जिया मुरा घबराए, बिन बोले रहा न जाए, बिन बोले रहा न जाए, बाबुल जिया मुरा घबराए, बाबुल मोरी इतनी अरज सुन लीजो, मोहे सोनार के घर ना दीजो, मोहे सोनार के घर ना दीजो, मोहे जेवर कभी न भाए, बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए, बाबुल मोरी इतनी अरज सुन लीजो, मोहे व्यापारी घर ना दीजो, मोहे व्यापारी घर ना दीजो, मोहे धन दौलत ना सोहाए, बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए, बाबुल मोरी इतनी अरज सुन लीजो, मोहे राजा घर ना दीजो, मोहे राजा घर ना दीजो, मोहे राज न करना आए, बाबुल
जिया मोरा घबराए। बाबुल रे बाबुल मोरी इतनी अरज सुन लीजो, मोहे लोहार के घर दे दीजो, मोहे लोहार के घर दे दीजो, जो मोरी जंजीरें पिघलाए बाबू।